speak to me a bit about how you've been utilizing like that type of automation and saving time in your KDP business.
Well, I am a computer programmer, as I mentioned. So at work,
Yeah.
we're huge into agentic development, and we have the maximum Claude subscriptions, and I'll have 4 or 5 of those windows open. So when I heard about a system called, I started building automations that will take my markdown files and pump them into finalized PDFs, just anything I can automate, really. And these days it's not gate kept by people like me who know stuff. You can just go in a prompt, hey, turn this markdown file into a PDF for me, and
Or
prompting.
I can do it.
You could do it.
I can do it.
You could do
Right.
it.
So it's like
Absolutely.
anybody can do it now.
And
Right.
what blew me away is like the different ways to solve problems. Like you came up with this way where an agent can go into a browser and look at your and use your and get your ad data, give you a morning. And I was like, wow, I would have never thought of that. That was really, really cool.
Really, because I was like, oh, I bet Nick's already doing something like this. Right.
No,
Like,
and
so I was
it
kind
was,
of curious to see what you were going to think about that new
well, I mean, being
KDP
the
ad
computer
intelligence
programmer,
agent.
I'm like, I got to get signed up for the API. I got to do that whole thing.
I didn't even know how to get the API. I was just like, hey, Claude can control my browser. I bet it could do this.
It's
And
sometimes being too smart for my own good, or not too smart, but maybe just, hey, if you have a
overthinking or
hammer, all you'll see is nails or whatever. I'm sure there's a adage that